In God's loving mercy to us pilgrims of hope, we rejoice with gladness as the parish church of the Three Kings of the city of Daman, Nueva Ecija, declared by the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines in 1986 as the National Shrine of the Virgen Divina Pastora, known in history as the oldest parish in the Diocese of Cabanatuan, founded by the Augustinians in 1595, is hereby declared through a decree of the Dicastery for the Divine Worship and Discipline of the Sacraments of the Holy See as the minor basilica and national shrine, the Virgen Divina Pastora, proclaimed before the holy people of God through a solemn liturgical declaration held on the 26th of April in the year of Lord 2024, commemoration of the 60th anniversary of the pontifical coronation of the Virgen Divina Pastora and the 38th anniversary of the Church's proclamation as a national shrine. Signed Honorable First Di Pascual, Representative Hermano Mayor. Signed Honorable Emery Joy Di Pascual, City Mayor of Dapan, Hermano Mayor. Reverend Father Alvin Domingo, Rector and Parish Priest. Sopronio Ibangul, SSSTV, Bishop of Cabanatuan. Pagbukin ang Panginoon.
Mga ginigiliw na kapatid, ang bagong salisag ang coat of arms ng Basilica Minore at magbansang gambalan ng Mahal na Virgen Divina Pastora, Parokya ng Tatlong Hari.
Ang ating bagong salisag ay nais sa katuparan sa pamamagitan ng malikhaing disenyo ni Brother Henrik Ivan Panganiban, Domus Aurea Ecclesiastical Designs. Sa kapahintulutan ng Direktor at Purang Paloko at ng Sangguniang Pastoral.
Dito po natatapos ang rito paglulusan ng Escudo de Armas o coat of arms at paghahawi sa ating pananaw.
Ito po ay ating aabangan, ating pananamigan ng pagdating ng ating minamahal na Pipanunsyo. Maring po ang lahat.
1, 2, 3.